butter. It is so good melted into a hot piece of bread. But what do you do when your butter is cold? It rips up the bread. Oh, what a pain. Let me show you what I do to get around that. Maybe you won't ever have to deal with cold butter again. Follow me. So that's how I soften butter. Your timing may be different depending on the strength of your microwave, depending on how cold the butter is to start, depending on the size of your butter stick. If your butter stick is only half a stick, then you only need half as much time. If your butter is near room temperature, you may not need any softening at all. You're going to have to experiment to find out what works for you, but at least now you know it does work. Enjoy.